Most people try to spend their entire career trying to reach where I was. A stable income, a reputable CA qualification in Australia, and a good life. My whole career path was mapped out. But then I took a leap of faith and I decided to walk away. In 2016, I decided to travel to Australia as an international student. I studied for Masters of Professional Accounting at the University of New South Wales in Sydney. Soon after that, I studied for Chartered Accountancy from Chartered Accountants Australia in New Zealand. In my 6 years journey in Sydney, I actually ended up working across range of accountancy practices, starting from boutique to mid-size to top 60. I had honestly everything sorted. My life was literally in front of me and I decided to move away from it. There were 3 signs early on in my career which I spotted, which helped me to make the decision. Stability is not equal to alignment. I had a very secure job in Australia and my routine for Monday to Friday was sorted. But then I realized that that was not the larger purpose of what I wanted. It felt like a boredom. It felt like a routine, mundane task. And that's when I realized that my larger purpose in life is to achieve something beyond the routine. Secondly, while working at Australian accountancy practices, I realized there was a huge gap of talent. Many firms were facing issues because they were not able to find skilled accountants to do the job. And at the same time, the country where I was raised, which is India, always had the biggest talent pool. But then I realized that why isn't Australia looking at having more and more work done from India in an offshore setup? Lastly, I didn't want it to run against the time. Taking the first mover's advantage felt like a strategic decision at that time. So without wasting any further time, I decided to move away from Australia to actually build something larger than life in India, which was my own accountancy practice, Pinnacle Advisors. Now, I was back in Mumbai and I decided to start Pinnacle Advisors from a converted garage. No funding, no big team, everything was to be done by myself. I literally had me and my laptop. And something about startup that people don't often tell you, that leaving a secure job means facing a lot of unpredictability. But most importantly, it is a loss of identity. So it was literally like restarting everything from zero. But I knew one thing for sure, that to scale, it was important for me to structure my foundation in a way which helps me in the long term. And trust me, that's all what I did. With trust and genuine credibility, I was able to build a team. Today, we stand at being one of the most important players in the India-Australia corridor, not just helping accountancy practices in building capacity, but also helping Australian and Indian businesses in understanding their capability. So, if you are a CA or an accounting professional and in a secure career path, then ask yourself this question. Is this stable for now or is it comfortable? Because often at times, it's very important, or I would say the most clever career move is sometimes to take a step back and understand what is the larger purpose of you being and doing what you're doing at the moment.